Welcome to Awesome Art. Today we're going to be making a miniature tea set out of polymer clay. All you'll need is a minifigure, a knife with no teeth, and 3 different colors of polymer clay. To get started, roll the clay into 3 snakes of about the same length. I'm using a bit less pink clay than I am the other colors because I want it to be a little less noticeable than the other two. Now that we have the 3 snakes, we're going to carefully line them up and then twist them together. Now fold it in half and twist it again. It might crack a little bit when you try to do this, but that's okay, it'll still turn out looking great. Once you've finished twisting it, roll around the parchment paper to turn it into a chubby rainbow snake. I'm now going to repeat the last 2 steps. Fold, twist, roll. It's now time to start making the tea set. First, let's make the teacups. First, cut off a small piece of clay from the end of the snake. Now, cut off an even smaller piece from the small piece you just made. Put the smallest piece to the side, that'll be the teacup's handle later. Roll your piece of clay into a ball and put it on the end of a paintbrush to make the inside of the cup. Next, you're going to roll the teeny piece of clay into a teeny baby snake. Don't forget to make sure that the snake can fit through the Lego figure's hand. Lastly, we're going to attach the handle to the teacup. It's time to make the plate for the teacup to go on. Cut off a thin piece of clay and then flatten it out a little bit, but not too much. Then use the paintbrush to make a small indent right in the center that the teacup will be able to go on. Using your knife to remove the plate from the parchment is a lot easier than using your nails. Too bad I didn't think of that until later. Last but not least is the teapot. Cut off a piece of clay about the size of your Lego figure's head, then roll it into a pretty little ball. We're going to make another plate, but we won't be putting a dent in it with the paintbrush this time. Once the plate is finished, attach it to the bottom of the teapot. The lid is a bit tricky to make. You're going to cut off a piece as if you were going to make a plate, then cut off an even smaller piece from it. Roll that teeny piece into a teeny tiny ball. Make that other piece a little bit rounder and then flatten it out. Next, place the flat piece on top of the teapot, and then to finish it off, place the teeny tiny ball on the very top. No teapot's complete without a spout and a handle. To start, cut off a piece from the clay. Roll it out into another cute little snake. Now to make sure it can fit through our figure's hand. Next, place the handle on the teapot. I didn't cut off enough to make both the handle and the spout, so I'll have to cut off a bit more for the spout. You won't have to check to make sure it can fit through the Lego figure's hand this time, because the Lego figure's not supposed to hold it by the spout. When placing the spout on the teapot, I like to think of it as an elephant trunk. And there you have it, a beautiful teapot. I still have some leftover clay, so I'm going to make some beads, and my little sister wanted to make a mouse. All I need to do now is put it to bake. And here's the completed tea set, plus one mouse. Now your Legos are ready to have an awesome tea party.